Hello, and welcome to the CCNP Routing and Switching course offered by SimplyLearn. The last lesson focused on considerations for wireless, VoIP, and video. This lesson focuses on hot standby router protocol. Let us begin with the objectives of the lesson in the next slide. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe resiliency and the resiliency types. Explain supervisor redundancy and its features. Explain the concepts of FHRP, including HSRP, HSRP versions, advertisements, and load balancing. List HSRP states. Let us start our discussion with resiliency. Resiliency is the ability to maintain an acceptable level of service when errors occur. Redundancy does not guarantee resiliency because the redundant links do not automatically use the backup link if the primary link fails. There are two types of resiliency required in enterprise networks: system-level resiliency and network-level resiliency. System-level resiliency is provided by dual power supplies and fans, extra switches or switch modules, and hardware features that enable fast failover. Network-level resiliency includes redundant links and devices, along with rapid failover. In the next slide, let us discuss supervisor redundancy. The supervisor engine is the most important component in Catalyst modular switches. Many features provide supervisor redundancy. They differ in failover timings and capabilities. Supervisor redundancy is provided by Route Processor Redundancy, Route Processor Redundancy Plus, Stateful Switchover, and Nonstop Forwarding with SSO. In the next slide, let us examine failover time for Catalyst 4500 and 6500 switches with these features. IP phones and database applications would be dropped in the failover duration shown in the table for RPR and RPR+. RPR's failover time is 2 to 4 minutes for the Catalyst 6500 and less than 60 seconds for the Catalyst 4500. RPR Plus is only available for the Catalyst 6500 with a failover time of 30 to 60 seconds. Stateful switchover makes a dramatic improvement in failover times with 0 to 3 seconds and less than 1 second in Catalyst 6500 and 4500 respectively. In the next slide, let us discuss in detail the 4 features of supervisory redundancy.